How to fix Bumble app not working. So this covers freezing, crashing, but basically the common stuff that happens. So first is basically just forcing the app to close and reopening the app. Of course, expectedly, you've already tried that by exiting the app itself and then just reopening the app. You can also try force stopping the app itself to do a little reset. So you can do this in your settings over here. Then just go ahead and search for apps. Once you're in your apps, go ahead and look for the Bumble app. You can either search for the Bumble app or scroll down for it, but whichever is faster for you or whatever you prefer. And there's a force stop button on the bottom left. Just go ahead and press on that. So go ahead and force stop it and then reopen the Bumble app itself. You can also clear its cache before you leave. In the bottom right, there is a clear data button. Then all you have to do now is clear cache. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and good before you do anything else. You could switch to different platforms like YouTube and see if you're lagging there. And if you are, then it could be because your internet connection is lagging. So make sure you fix your internet connection first. So get better signal or switch to a different connection or try using mobile data as long as you fix your internet connection just to clear that reason off. So once you try to reopen Bumble by force stopping, it should usually work since it reset it by force stopping the actual app. So if Bumble still isn't working, you could try turning on your permissions to Bumble. There's some reasons why it doesn't work by turning off your permissions. So you can still do that directly into your app info over here. So app permissions, so whatever required permissions Bumble has, make sure they are all allowed. So Bumble does block some networks for security reasons. So if you have VPNs on or private DNS or ad blockers, make sure those are off. And finally, one of the last reasons why Bumble is not working is maybe their server is down. So sometimes Bumble is down globally. You could go to their officials to see if that's a problem. And if it is, then there's nothing you can really do about it other than wait for them to actually reopen the servers back. So try opening the app back in a few minutes or later on. But those are most of the reasons and things you could possibly do to help you with this problem. You can also try reinstalling if you are really desperate and just log in again to Bumble. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.